Hello again, Joe Follico for Insignia Futures and Options. This is part 5 of our InsigniaTrader platform tutorial series. In this video, I'll explain how to place trades with the Advanced Trader. So let's get started. So once you're logged into the platform, you'll see here we have what's called the Advanced Trader, also called the DOM, which shows depth of market for a particular commodity. Many day traders will use this. They like to see where bid and ask prices are sitting, and that's what these numbers represent. So if you look here, we have the September micro mini S&P, and we'll also add that over here into our trading matrix. We had the December contract, so I'm going to change that back to September by changing the month code. Okay, so let's say you want to go long. You have a few ways to do that in here. The most common way would just be to buy at the market, and here you could change quantities. It's preset to 1, but you can either use these plus or minus buttons here to go up and down with the quantity, or you can double click and type in a quantity. Either way, once you have the quantity set where you'd like it, you could click either market here for buy or market here sell. When you click that, it's going to pop open an order entry window. It'll already be pre-filled out to what you're trying to do. So it's already set to buying 3, which you can see matches here, symbol matches, and the order type is market. Everything looks good. Click the submit button. You'll get a confirmation here. You can X those out. And you'll also notice that the your order book, if you have all statuses showing, will also show the order, and it will also appear in your fills order in this window. And additionally, will also appear now in your open positions in the account detail window. So now that you're in, you can see your profit and loss going here. You can, and this, by the way, is for your total trades of the day. So in a previous video, we did trade one contract of the micro mini S&P, which we made $25 on. So that will be part of your total profit or loss. So this will track for each contract what you trade in that trading session. So that will be tracked as the gross profit or loss. So now let's say you want to exit the trade. You can simply choose sell market, just like we did. You would click this. Let's say you want to reverse. Let's say you feel the market is changing direction. You can reverse by clicking the reverse button. Again, we'll bring up a new order. So this will be to sell 6 because it's going to be liquidating the 3-year long and then create 3 shorts. So again, we're not going to do that, so I'm going to just cancel that. You can exit the trade, clicking that button, and this will bring up a dialog here that is going to let you know that's going to cancel all open working orders, and then it will also liquidate the 3 that you're long. So if you click yes, you'll see you got filled, and this will always be in a market order. So you can see right here, market. You could cancel out of these. Now you'll notice that the position is gone from your account detail. The order here will always be top of the order book, and then your filled will also show what you did for the day and what the gross profit or loss is for that day's trading session. So using these buttons, it makes it very simple. You also have a cancel all. So let's say you had a few orders working, limit orders or stop orders, and let's say either you're done trading for the day, they didn't get filled, or you just want to cancel those. You could click the cancel all button. That will bring up a dialog to cancel all of your working orders. So the depth of market again shows you a lot of detail. You could scroll up and down to see different bid and ask prices. When you do scroll, if you want to center it back, you're going to notice there's an icon here with 2 arrows pointing to a line. You also get the menu description, icon description. Click it and it'll recenter it back to where the current price is, and it'll put that in the middle. So again, this will show you all of the orders sitting out at certain price levels. So some traders find that valuable information. And again, you could scroll up and down to see that and recenter it by clicking here. So that's using the Advanced Trader. Our next tutorial will discuss how to use our charting in the InsigniaTrader platform. So I hope you join us.